Today we are in one of Vietnam's oldest cities, Hoi An, and it is such a stunning night. We're gonna take a boat ride and do a lantern release. Definitely checking something off of the bucket list today, and I am so excited. We started the night roaming the streets of Hoi An.
Get a load of that, cocktails.
With vendors set up and the sun setting, it was time to start the night. Our first stop, dinner.
We just made it to dinner and the vibes are high. We have the river right behind us, getting ready to get some good eats with the lanterns in the background. I have a feeling it's gonna be a vibe because guess what? There's gonna be live music.
Should I get the shrimp? This one? With the rice. Okay. Yes. You wanna do the wonton?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. We got the fried wontons, and I thought it came with beef, but I think it comes with shrimp. I'm gonna take the first bite. I'll make sure it's safe for you, babe. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow. I know. I'm hoping that my entree tastes exactly like that because I got like sauteed shrimp, and it's my first time getting seafood on this entire trip. I think Felipe too, honestly, but it is so good. It's hard for me to wait my turn. There's only one plate, so Felipe's eating his, and then I'm gonna eat mine, but he's almost done. Thank God. The food was so good, from appetizer to entree. It's like the perfect amount of food too. My shrimp was cooked perfectly. The sauce, the appetizer I'm gonna dream about for days. I know Felipe enjoyed his too. So we're gonna finish our beers now, and then we have a really exciting activity right after.
So we just had dinner, it was amazing. We're exploring the streets right now. Lanterns everywhere, people everywhere. It's such a vibe. Like, look at this. Bikes for rent, lanterns for sale, boats, people trying to rent boats. Little show. What's happening over here? We just made it through the madness. There was like 1,000 people back there, everybody trying to walk past.
Hi, going to the
Hectic.
boat.
Hey, we're going on the boat. One thing I love about having a camera on me is that whenever somebody is trying to sell you something, I just point the camera at them and I'm like, oh, hey, hi. And they turn right around. It's okay, thank you. Such a vibe.
Your English is very good.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from America.
Oh, America.
Yes, in Florida. Do you know Florida?
I know. It's like a big state.
Yeah, it's one of the big states. How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Wow.
How do you think about the boat in Vietnam?
It's very beautiful. We're gonna go on a boat next, and we're gonna release a lantern.
Oh, how long do you go to Vietnam?
In Vietnam for 2 months, but in Hoi An, we are in 1 week, I think.
1 week. Oh.
Yeah.
So we want to go every places.
Yeah, we went to Hanoi, and we did Ha Giang, and then Ninh Binh, Da Nang, and now we came here.
Oh, you take photos to review?
Yeah.
Oh.
We take photos and we make YouTube videos.
Oh.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very good.
Do you eat bread?
Yes, I love it.
And do you know Miss bread?
Do I know what?
Miss
No, what's that?
This is a big and famous, like a best seller of banh mi in India.
Oh wow, I love the banh mi.
Yeah.
Very good. That's the bread for the banh mi?
Yes, we have. We can eat all of the day.
Oh wow, it's very good.
This is a fast food in Vietnam.
Oh yeah. What's your favorite food in Vietnam?
My favorite food in Vietnam is bún chả.
Oh, I love bún chả.
Bún chả is famous in Hanoi.
Yes, we had it in Hanoi.
Oh, thank you to talk with me.
Thank you so much. You're very good too.
Yes. Have a nice trip.
You too. Have a nice trip. Very good. Very good English. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye. We talk to you later. Thank you. Wow, that is so sweet.
Hey, you some more boy?
Hi. Not yet. We go. Thank you. America. Yeah. Aww. That made my night. That was so sweet. A little boy came up to me and he said he just wants to practice his English with foreigners. And he's really, really good. Like really good. And he told me a little bit of how they eat banh mi every day. His favorite food is bún cha. Also, I love bún cha. That's my favorite Vietnamese food.
You know who else's favorite Vietnamese food is bún cha?
Obama.
Obama.
We love that guy. She did say the ones over there, if you try to get on those boats, they most likely only go in that little circle, but this one will take us further. So we shall see. We have, thank you, 30 meters.
30 meters.
Mr. Nice. We have, thank you. Thank you. He has lanterns here. How nice.
Oh, we can sit next to each other.
Where you from?
America. Honestly, I never know how people would take that, you know?
We got our lantern. Made a wish.
Oh! Don't worry, good luck. It flipped.
All right, here we go. There she goes.
Yay! I get to do it again. Now record me.
Make a wish, so it doesn't count.
Yay!
There go our two right there, two lanterns, drifting away together.
Yeah, they
I
linked
put
up.
mine in like, probably like a minute before hers. It was leaving and it came back. Tight, tight fit.
And boom!
Oh, bam, that's the sign.
Alrighty. It was a beautiful 20-ish minute ride. And now it just makes me really excited because I want to go to the Chiang Mai Lantern Festival in November. And I can only imagine when the skies are full of lanterns. But we made our wish and I would call that a very successful day.